So first we need some background tile images. So I prepared 3 tiles. We will add more tiles later.
Папку background. Ну, давайте я вам покажу из проводника. Пожалуйста, да, у меня в папке...
So 48 plus 48 will be 96. Okay, let's check this. Alright, so we have drawn grass tile, wall tile, and a water tile.
96. Итак, да, у нас есть трава, вода и кирпич. Ну, стена.
Y plus gp dot tile size. Let's check this. Okay.
Плюс равно gp dot tile size. Так, траву. Да.
Hi guys. As you can probably guess from the title, this is not a tutorial video nor a happy video, so I apologize for that. Some weird thing has happened and I've been pretty occupied with the matter. I decided to share what is going on since I thought it was important to state my thoughts on this clearly and hopefully spread awareness. So recently I received a message from one of my longtime viewers. He informed me that a Russian YouTuber is copying my 2D game tutorial series and uploading videos on his channel. I visited his channel and watched his videos, and yes, it's indeed my how to make a 2D game in Java tutorial. He changed the sprites, so the facial look is different. If you don't know well, it might not look so similar, but the code he's writing in these videos is almost line by line identical to mine. To be fair, not 100%. There are some small differences here and there, but as far as I can see, around 95% or more is identical to mine. Not only the code, the way the series is structured is exactly the same. Part 1 is creating a window, Part 2 is a game loop, Part 3 is character sprites, Part 4 is drawing background tiles, Part 5 is drawing a world map, Part 6 is collision detection, and so on. The order to type lines is also identical. He's basically tracing my videos. Maybe he's making videos while watching mine. Player Y here. So now these are not fixed number but variables. So inside of this update. So if gh.up pressed
Key H, наш keyhandler. Давайте он у нас вверх сначала.
Up pressed is true.
Up pressed, собственно, true. То есть minus равно player speed.
So minus equal or you can
Сейчас объясню, что значит. Это такой джавский синтаксис. То есть это то же самое, что если бы мы написали player y равно player y minus player speed. Вот, это две абсолютно одинаковые команды, но для упрощения проще писать так, нежели... Дальше. Else if. Теперь пропишем все остальное для keyhandler downPressed.
So player Y, max screen call.
Max screen call. Собственно, все, что я вам уже сейчас и говорил.
768, 576 pixels.
768 будет 576 пикселей.
Let's go to this game panel and we create some world map parameters. World settings.
Поэтому теперь давайте мы с вами пойдем в нашу гейм-панель. Здесь давайте прям вот тут вот мы с вами сейчас пропишем world settings. World settings.
This double buffering function has the default. Okay, now let's go back to this main class. Game panel equal new panel.
Set double buffered. Теперь давайте перейдем в наш класс main. Давайте под window title game panel суп писать, который будет нас выкидывать на ту game panel, равный new game panel.
Pack this jpanel so we can see it.
Pack. Window point pack. Enter.
Okay, let's check it. Alright.
Как оно у нас будет работать? Итак, да, пожалуйста, вот у нас.
He even copied my video descriptions too. So, I left a comment on his video, then sent him an email and asked him to stop doing this. His answer was no. He admitted he's using my tutorial, but also claimed that his videos are his original because he's using different sprites and is making the videos with Russian commentary, not English commentary. He also insisted that his videos are appreciated by Russians who don't understand English. That might be true. I don't deny his view that his videos are providing some benefits for some Russians. But that doesn't mean he can copy someone's content freely. In his logic, I can upload any other YouTuber's videos without permission and claim it's my original because I added Japanese subtitles by myself for Japanese users, and some Japanese people enjoy them. You cannot justify what you do just because there are people who like it. If he copies someone else's creation and uses it in his video, I think at least he should ask a permission first and credit the original creator, and he hasn't done any of them. As far as I know, programming code is a literary work like a book and is considered copyrighted as long as it is not something people can accidentally copy. At the same time, I know referencing is a big part of programming, and the borderline between copying and referencing is often vague and debatable, so I know I shouldn't make this kind of accusation lightly, and I don't usually make a big deal out of these things. However, he's basically copying my entire series. I feel what he's doing is crossing the line. So let's get to the step 1. Let's go to this entity class, and then we're gonna rename this x and y to world x and world y.
Модернизировать наш код. Мы идем, давайте в наш entity класс первоочередно. И здесь вот эти вот переменные x, y поменяем на world x и, соответственно, world y.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
He sounded like he knows how YouTube's copyright system works and said, I cannot take down his videos. I am not sure if that's true, but I also cannot deny the possibility at this point. I tried to submit a copyright removal request via YouTube's form, but then I saw this message. I'm not gonna lie, this scared me a bit. While I am confident and he also admitted that his tutorial and code is a copy of mine, but the point is whether YouTube will recognize a resemblance in programming code and deems it as a copyright infringement. I fear the possibility that it is not as obvious as copying music or movies. He has replaced some graphical assets, so At a glance, they might not look so identical. Got the key. Open the door. Open the door and... Okay. Found the treasure.
Все, поздравляю вас, на этом закончена наша первая часть курса.
I have no idea if YouTube will focus on the code, not on the look itself. Copyright claim is still an option, but I couldn't risk my channel while I am not entirely sure how the system works. So I put the option on hold and tried to appeal to his conscience. I told him how much work I spent to create those videos, but to no avail. He kept insisting it's his original content and says he will keep uploading videos. After the conversation, he blocked me from his channel, so my comments don't show up on his videos anymore. He also filtered some keywords, such as my name, so even if others mention my name in his videos, such comments automatically get deleted or become hidden from other users. So simply, I have no way to notify his channel viewers about how the videos were made and stop him from pretending he is the creator of the series. From what I'm seeing from his viewers' comments, they believe that the code was created by him and they are praising his skill and knowledge. Thinking about the possible reality that he keeps doing this, and every time I release a new video, he copies it quickly with much less effort and time is, I have to say, pretty discouraging. But even if I cannot do anything about this matter, I don't feel like silently enduring it, because that's probably what he wanted. Like every other conscious content creator who is willing to stand for this kind of thing, at least I want to make clear that his tutorial is not his original. He's using my tutorial and he's doing it without my permission. So hopefully the knowledge reaches some of his viewers. If all of us are aware of it, we can minimize the effect of this kind of unfair activity, or so I hope. To the person that I am talking about here, you are probably watching this. I know you have been one of my viewers and maybe you liked my videos. I hope you understand my message and stop copying my tutorial. I appreciate it if you do that. I will wait for his reaction for a week or so. If he stops all of this by himself, that's great. I will forget about this and move on. But if he didn't, I have no choice but submit a copyright claim and see how it goes. Finally, I want to make a huge shout out to Daniel. He is a viewer of my tutorial videos and also a professional novelist. As an author and content creator, he sympathized with my situation and understood my pain and frustration. That helped me a lot. He also told me how his wife, who is also an author, took down a YouTube channel that was uploading her books and reading them in videos. Hearing his story encouraged me and also calmed me down. So, thank you, Daniel. If you are interested, please check Daniel's website. The link is in the description. Yep, that's all. It's been pretty stressful days for sure. I hope I can find a solution soon and resume my 2D tutorial. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support.